So what would be your counterpoint to somebody saying that there's multiple universes, therefore multiple gods or multiple realities?
I don't see any reason to think that multiple universes would require multiple gods. If there is a multiverse, as suggested by some cosmological models, these other universes are physical, space-time, material realities just like ours. They're sort of like bubbles in an expanding foam. And God will be the transcendent, necessary creator of the multiverse. In fact, as I said last night in my talk, really God is the best hope for the existence of a multiverse, because the multiverse hypothesis really faces insuperable, I think, objections unless there is a God who has created the multiverse and ordered its worlds so as to give preference to finely tuned worlds like ours. So a transcendent being can create either a single universe or a multiverse. For him, it's a triviality.